Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download Tinytask on your PC or laptop. It will be really simple and easy. Tinytask is a really useful tool as you can record the inputs on your computer. So first of all, go and open up a web browser and then what you have to do is on the search engine, you can go and search for Tinytask like so, and the official site is tinytask.net. Here it is at the top. On the side you need to come over to the right here and you will see downloads, and you go and see a version. Click on the latest version which is 1.77, and it will download. Now we can go and run it by coming to our file explorer. Come to your downloads and you can then go and run tinytask.exe, and here it is. We can press on record and we can go and get started. So that's pretty much it for this video. That's how to download Tinytask on PC or laptop. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.